minor pentatonic, shape 5. Now that you're familiar with the extended shape, it's time to learn where those extended notes actually come from. Remember that the scale consists of 5 different shapes across the fretboard. Now, if we look at the first part of the extension on the thicker strings, we have these 4 notes right here. They are actually a part of this shape right here as well, which sounds like this. You start this shape by playing the same notes from the extended shape. So you have your index and ring finger right here on the 2 thickest strings. On the 4th and 3rd strings, you use your index finger and pinky finger in these positions. Then, when you get to the last 2 strings, you use the same fingering as on the 2 thickest strings. So you have the index finger and ring finger right here. Notice that all of the notes you play with either your ring finger or pinky finger in this shape are actually the same notes that you play with your index finger in the next shape. This is a great way to learn how the different shapes are connected on the fretboard. Now, if you want to bend in this shape, there is really only one position that you should be practicing, and that's a full bend on the 3rd string right here. Just remember that the recommended finger for this position when playing the shape is your pinky finger. But usually when you bend, you should switch to your ring finger and get additional help from your index and middle fingers, like this. Now let's practice this shape. Remember to always visualize the shape to get it into your muscle memory.